Welcome or welcome back at Otexpertise. After already 1 month in Chiang Mai, time has come to move locations and to a new apartment. This time a cozy condo in the heart of Nimman. So with that being said, it's time to show you around our $600 condo. Welcome.
Good morning. We are here in the heart of Nimman Area, the super trendy neighborhood in the heart of Chiang Mai, Thailand, and also the place that we will be staying for the next month. December, a month it's going to be so much fun as we're celebrating Christmas and New Year's Eve and even my birthday, so lots of fun things coming up. So we changed location and we're here at Hillside Condo Hotel. I'm going to show you around, so let's head inside. Before we're heading up to our apartment on the 9th floor, I'm first going to show you around here at the entrance of the apartment building. There are multiple shops and even cafes like a bagel village, a gym, a beauty store. So I'm first going to show you some of the facilities. Let's head upstairs to the 9th floor for the apartment tour. Welcome to our apartment. Welcome to our apartment. When walking inside, you will first come in the hallway, and to my right you will find the bathroom, and on the other side you will find lots of storage space, so that's great for all our clothing, luggage and any extra stuff that we're bringing with us. So let's first show you the bathroom. It's simple, but it's pretty large actually, and the shower is really nice. As you can see, we have a large vanity where we can store all our stuff, and yeah, we have a large mirror, so that's great. And on the left side you will find the kitchen. Personally, I find that it's a pretty big kitchen and it has all the necessities that you might need when staying for a month or longer. It has lots of dinnerware, all the appliances like microwave, and we also have a large refrigerator, so that's really nice. And one thing that I really like about this specific apartment, I think so far of all the places we stayed at, is that this is definitely the most cozy one and the most focused on long-term stay. It also has the most cozy, cute things and decorations here, so that's really nice. And in this apartment you will also find coffee beans that you can grind to make your own drip coffee, which is perfect if you're enjoying time on the balcony. The apartment is nice and open with lots of natural light coming in, making it the perfect place to work from home. Also, there are 2 work spots, this one at the dining table or at the specific desk that's further in the room. So that's nice, specifically if you're with more people, but of course it's also the perfect place if you're alone and that you have multiple spots where you can work from, making it the perfect apartment for a long-term stay. Something that makes this apartment even more nice is this super comfy and soft bed. If you might ask me what's my favorite thing about this whole apartment, then it's not inside actually, but it's the space here in front of me, the balcony. So what do you think about the apartment? Personally, I think it's really nice. I'm really looking forward to our next month here, the whole of December. And of course, my favorite part is the balcony. It's so big and spacious, and it's perfect spot to enjoy a slow morning with a fresh cup of coffee, or a nice and relaxing evening when the sun is down. And yeah, I think overall it's just such a cozy vibe. So I thought after showing you the apartment, let's talk about the details a bit. So the cost for this apartment are $600 per month. Personally, I think it's a really good deal, specifically if you look to all the necessities that the apartment includes, and also the location. It's literally in the heart of Nimman area. It's like a 5-minute walk to Maya shopping mall. It's literally 2 minutes to the shopping center One Nimman, which also very nice. And I've showed you that in another previous video that you can watch on my channel as well if you're interested. And the apartment also has a lot of cafes, restaurants, shops nearby. So it's just a perfect spot if you want to explore the area by foot. And that's also a thing that we're for sure going to do. The disclaimer that I need to say is though, the $600 is a bit higher because we're renting through Airbnb. I still think it's a good value for money, but that's something important to keep in mind. So let me know in the comments, what do you think about the apartment? Would you see yourself staying here? I think personally it's just a really good fit for our wishes. And this is not the end yet, because we're going to head downstairs to the 4th floor for the swimming pool. So let's take the elevator and I'll see you there. It's a bit dark here, but we're now on the 4th floor. On the 4th floor you will find the swimming pool. That's nice and sunny almost the whole day, so that's really nice. And yeah, overall it's just a really nice place. You do notice that the building itself is a bit older, and that also reflects in the complete building, like with the pool. But I think personally it's still a really great addition, and just to have it here on the hot days that are definitely here in Chiang Mai, it's good to have something that you can chill and refresh. So we're for sure going to check it out. And yeah, let me show you the swimming pool. So that was the pool, and personally I think it's really nice, and we're definitely going to have such a great time relaxing over there. Personally just really like that we're in a lively area now in comparison to our previous apartment that was also close to Central Festival with a few minutes. However, it was a bit far from the city. Definitely needed something of transportation for that one, and here we can just do actually everything by foot, so that's great. Overall, my opinion so far of the apartment is really nice. Of course, we're going to be staying here for a month, so let's see how it's at the end of the month, but I have a really good first impression and a very good first night. So yeah, I'm super excited to stay here for all the upcoming adventures, and thank you for watching this video. I hope it was useful for you. Let me know if you have any questions. I'm happy to help, and yeah, hope to see you next time. If you want to see more of Chiang Mai, of course, then check out this video next, because I think you will really like it. Then I hope to see you on the next adventures. Bye!